Hello beauties, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple days, but I decided that I wasn't going to wait until Monday because I wanted to do makeup Mondays. So if you're watching this, it's probably Sunday. Excuse all of the things or whatever underneath what we're talking about today because yeah, it just is what it is. It's one of those days. But anyway, as you can see, I have my Ipsy bag and we're going to check into here and see what's going on. And we're going to talk about Bestland lip liner crayon collection. So if you're into that, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's get into this. So the Bestland Langamani, I've had this sitting here for a while, and I think we're going to try these out. I do want to swatch them. There are 6 different colors in here, and so you've got, let's see, there's 6 different colors in here. So you have the lip, is it like a lip liner? Yeah, it's a lip liner. Okay, and then you have the liquid lipstick. Ooh, the liquid lipstick is much more pigmented than the lip liner. The lip liner didn't seem like it was easy to work with either. This one is a little bit more creamier. Let me tell you something. Was that the smell? Did it smell bad? It smells weird. It's not, I don't know. I mean, it's okay. It's not unpleasant. I could definitely see a big difference. And they don't have names. They just have numbers. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So I can't tell you the colors because, yeah. Okay, maybe if I try it like this. Okay, number 3 seems like it's getting a little bit better. So that would be 1. This is 2. This is 3. Very interesting. I can't wait to pick one of these tomorrow and see exactly what it does. Now, I don't want to mess up my makeup look tomorrow, but I definitely want to see what this does on Makeup Monday, because this is interesting how the lip liner and the liquid lipstick, and it's supposed to be, you know, a duo, and I don't know. I have to see. Okay, this one is number 5. That is a little chalky. Interesting. And number 6. I can't wait, you know, because, and just looking at, like, I've never tried these before. I've never had this brand before, but I'm looking at it. And of course the lip liner looks very dry and not so pigmented next to the liquid lipstick. So now we're back to number one. And you see how number one is drying down, but the lip pencil, you could barely see it. And it may be because of my skin tone, but the lip liner didn't seem... No, it's just not as pigmented as the actual liquid lipstick. So this is going to be interesting to see how this plays out on the actual lip. Like, this may be a pencil that I won't be able to use because of skin color, but I already know, I already see 2 or 3 colors that I won't be able to use. So I'll be able to declutter those. But that is really interesting. And the reason I say that is because I've never seen a lip combo. I'm used to Kylie, you know, lip combos, and the lip pencil is usually extremely pigmented. Same with Dose of Colors. Like I said, Kylie. And this is, okay, well, some of these colors are like, we're not coming off today. So if it's got a lot of pink, a lot of red in it, that's good to know. That means it has some staying power. Not bad, not bad. Okay, okay. Well, I'm not mad at it. I think the liquid lipsticks are pretty cool, but I think that the actual lip pencils, it's going to be iffy for me. I don't know, but we'll check those out and see.
A few moments later.
On to the Ipsy bag. So if you're here to see what is in this month's Ipsy, we're about to find out. Do I have to cut this open? Yeah, I think I better cut it open because it's kind of crooked. Ipsy, do better on your packaging. Way crooked. All right, let's see what we've got this month. This is January 2023, the year of you. Forget reinvention, throw resolutions out the door, never mind starting over. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy, perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with nail art, finding time to read, or reconnecting with friends. Get into this month's theme and just put your phone right there and it should pull some things up for you. This is really pretty. You've got number 1, switch to a calming cleanser. Number 2, don't skip exfoliation. Number 3, use SPF. And on the back, you've got Girl Gone Glam. Don't miss choice. Log in January 23rd, 25th to choose your February glam bag. So let's see if this is worth getting a February glam bag. So the first off is this cute little fuzzy bag, which is so adorable. I actually like this bag. You know, it's not like high quality or anything, but it's super cute. I like it. So let's see what we've got going on in here. All right, so for this month, look at that when you know it. So we've got a Jessica Libeskind. This is a cashmere lip pencil in mocha. Definitely going to get some use out of that. Here we've got a face cleanser. Check this out, you guys. What might this be? Last month, this is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. It's safe for sensitive skin. And I actually used this yesterday. Apply to the face and neck. So this month I have got First Aid Beauty by Fab Pure Skin face cleanser. So I've got the cleanser and I've got the cream. So check that out. I'm gonna have to get me like a little Ipsy box to put these in. This is Gold Faden MD problem for tired eyes. Solution: bright eyes, dark circle radiance concentrate. And for this, you apply 1 drop on the fingertip and gently pat around the eye area on cleansed skin. For optional results, use morning and night. So we may be able to try this out tomorrow during Makeup Monday and see what that's all about. See if it actually gives us some instant results. All right, in this little pink package, we have some eyeshadow. This is Formula Z, and this is, nope, it's a mini highlighter. I'm talented. Okay, mini highlighter. I instantly thought that this was an eyeshadow because highlighter usually isn't this dark for me. Okay, it's not 100%, but it's not something that I would gravitate to, especially when you're going for a highlighter. But I may try it and see what happens tomorrow. I'm not 100% positive. Or, I've been thinking, and I don't know, you guys can let me know what you think in the comments. I have been thinking about doing an Ipsy look, like seeing if I can get a full face out of all my Ipsy stuff, but I'll probably have to wait until February or March because this is my second. Remember, my November didn't come, then I got the December, then I got this month, and then so I'll get one next month, and I don't know if I'll have a full face, but I was thinking about doing an Ipsy look when I get, a full, face. Like, for example, I still have the Tarte face tape, so I have this, which is foundation. This can be used, I mean, it is a highlighter, but it also can be used as shadow. I have a lip pencil. There was an eyeshadow brush in my December kit, which does it. I mean, that's not product, but, I can use it with the Formula Z. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. If you're interested in that, let me know, because I'm kind of interested in, can I get a full face out of an Ipsy, collection? So we'll see about that. Last but not least, in the back is Kenzie. And y'all know, if you've been following me for a while, you already know I love me some Kenzie. The first thing I got by Kenzie was a beautiful brush. And I thought, oh my God, I love this brush so much. But I bought it myself. I didn't get it out of Ipsy or anything. And I absolutely love Kenzie brushes. So this is Claim your free Kenzie beauty gift at kenziefragrance.com. So Kenzie is doing fragrances. Okay. 30% off all Kenzie fragrances. Interesting. Okay. So this is a fragrance. So pretty. It is so pretty. Oh, it is. This smells so good, you guys. I like it. Oh. Oh, that is nice. It's not overpowering. It's very user-friendly. I love the bottle that is not aerosol or anything. I love it's a pump. It's very soft. Very soft. Not so much floral. It has a sweetish tone to it. Hey, that's really nice. This is really good because you could actually layer this with another scent if you wanted to. It's an eau de perfume, which is French for, light parfum, a light perfume. So this is nice. Okay, Kenzie fragrance. Wonderful. That smelled really good. So we've got the fragrance, we've got the lip pencil, we've got the highlighter, we've got the bright eyes, and we have, I don't know if this is a full tube. I would say it is, because like I said, this is a sample tube of the firming collagen cream. And this right here is the face cleanser. So if I were to guess, I would say that this right here, probably the full tube, because this is a point 34 ounce, and this is a 28.3, or no, it's 1 ounces or whatever. So this is exciting. So, we're collecting up our things, making it look all, good and spiffy and stuff. I like it. I like it. I had my doubts. I didn't think, because I was kind of iffy about last month. I was like, oh, it's cute, but, you know, let's see what we get next month. And I think that's what they do. They'll say, well, let's see, well, it give you a teaser or whatever. So I know I'm going to enjoy the cashmere pencil. I know I'm going to enjoy the fragrance. We're going to see about the face cleanser and about the bright eye solution. And I'm still on the fence about this. I wasn't impressed when I swatched it. Um, However, it, like I said, it may go well as an eyeshadow. I'm not 100% sure about this. I'm very picky about my highlighters. I'm more of a Stila girl. Love the Heaven's Hue. If you've been watching me for a while, then you already know how I feel about Heaven's Hue. Stila can do no wrong in my eyes. So, but we're going to try it tomorrow for Makeup Monday, and we're going to see how it goes. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe so you don't miss the live. We go live every Monday for Makeup Monday, and we play in makeup, and we talk and laugh and all that good stuff. So you don't want to miss that. I also have another declutter coming up for 2023, the beginning of the year. I'm going to go ahead and get that out of the way. Instead of spring cleaning, just go ahead and get that out of the way, because there are some palettes and stuff that I want to get rid of, and some mascaras, just because I know I'm not going to use them. And I have more stuff like this and, shopping and PR that's coming. So I'm not going to be able to use all that makeup. So my least favorite stuff, the stuff that I'm probably not so much going to use, is going to have to, get out of here. And then we're going to stick to, what we know, what we love, and the things that come in. If I'm going to use them, we're going to keep them. And if not, we're going to get rid of them. And that way we don't have, so much to declutter at the end of the year. So we're going to try that for 2023 and see how it goes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me for this episode. This was super fun. I love getting things in the mail. I don't know what it is, and then opening, unboxing, unpackaging with you guys so we can talk about it. So again, if you want to hang around and get more content like this, and great makeup looks, and education on makeup, and Makeup Mondays live streams, then join me, join the family. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost you a thing. But you can also join the family. You can join to be a tea pal for 99 cents a month. And you can also join to be a teacup for $1.99 a month. So, hey, join the family, whether it's free, whether it's a subscription. We just want you to be a part of the family and all the love. Okay, beauties, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.